Hi, my name's Mark Jeeves, Director of Sales and Marketing at ColourLogic. Fooled you. My name is Richard Ames. We thought we'd have a change today. I'm Mark Jeeves' business partner. I'm the co-founder and CTO for ColourLogic and Touch 7, and also the developer of all these different types of effects that you see. We've been sent today this beautiful box from one of our licensed printers in the UK called Arc. They have got the most incredible box set of samples which they send out to their customers. Now this is the way that you should be promoting your company. You've got to show samples to your potential customers so they know what you're capable of. You know, what kind of equipment do you have, what kind of finishing can you do, what kind of fifth colour embellishments are available. And this is a beautiful, beautiful example of that. So first of all, it's in a very heavy duty box. This thing weighs 5 kilos. That's just to show how much print they've gone into doing this. And this is a great testament to how to show all your capabilities. And the first thing I want to go into, they have taken the extra detail here. These are actually magnets on the side here, and they've cut them out in the style of the graphic design. So if I just peel this off a bit cheekily, you can see how they've gone to the extra level, not just doing a straightforward, rectangular, simple metallic, a magnetized sheet here. They're actually going into intricate details, and this is what it's all about. That's what sets you apart from other customers, other printers, sorry. So let's dive in. We've got this beautiful sample kit here, and first of all, we've got this pop-up. So great way to be able to show different types of folding mechanisms, 4-color print all the way around. With a little bit of metallic on there. Now let's just put that to one side because there's lots to go into, and I'm not going to go into everything because it will take forever, but just to show you how they've sectioned all this out. Now what they have done, which is what we keep telling our customers, inside the Smart Center there is a section called Artwork, and it's a set of ready-made artwork files that you can download and print out and personalize like Arc has done here, and put your logos on there. And basically ready-made samples that you can just run out on your press to show you what you can do. These have been printed 5-color. It's a metallized board with white and CMYK all done in line off their Iridesse press. So beautiful examples there. So a couple of different boxes. I've also taken one of our design and resized it, which is what I love to see. It's taking the initiative and, just to give you an example, our actual packaging file is that, okay? They've taken the initiative, taken our golf ball box, resized it and repurposed the design so they can do other examples of the print that fits into the box. It's a great way to be able to use all the samples that are available. Another set of files that we've used of ours are our door hangers. These are, you recognise these, they're on hotels, do not disturb. Imagine how many hotels there are across the world. Brilliant market to get into. Metallized, personalized, you could even put people's names on there. You could do variable data printing. So when you've got a hot customer that comes in, one of your elite customers, you could have it, do not disturb, this is Richard's room, something personalised on there. Brilliant way to be able to market your company. Now underneath there, they've got the ColourLogic swatch book. Now this is the big daddy of the swatch books. They actually have our Pro colour system, which is, let me just explain, we have a standard colour system. Let me show you the swatch book here, which is our 250 colours. A great little system there. But on top of that, we have 644 additional colours. Now this has all been printed using silver toner plus CMYK off an Iridesse press. Lots and lots of colours to choose from. So the great thing about this is that you have now a colour system that's been printed off the press by the printer on the paper and using the profile from that machine, which means it's 100% colour accurate. So when a designer picks the colours to use on here, they know full well that these colours will come out the same. So it's a confident colour system. Let's put that back in the box. Now moving on, underneath here, we have lots of different samples. These ones are all done using foil, so you can see the foil effect running through the London design. We've got some of our literature files here that explain about our pattern effects with some examples. And again, some more of our sample files that have been printed out showing how you can use it and implement it with packaging. And then we've got a load of their own designs. Again, some beautiful foil images, just really showing that using the ColourLogic system, you run this image through our plugin, it automatically calculates the separation for you, and then you print it out on your press. Another one of our beautiful designs that we did, this magazine cover for what we call liquid gold. Gold is basically the ultimate status symbol of luxury, and you can achieve golds using the silver substrate or the silver ink or toner. So we never have to use a gold toner. It's basically everything is silver substrate or silver ink. And we could keep going. There's more and more and more designs all the way through here. I mean, hundreds of the things. So I'll be here all day for us trying to show you everything that is achievable. But I've done a beautiful selection. Some of them are done with silver toner. Some of them have been done with metallic substrate with white ink. But again, I'm seeing lots of really beautiful ColorLogic designs coming out here. And then right down at the bottom, just as you think you've done everything, there's even more. Beautiful booklet here showing silver toner. There's also gold toner in there. They have clear. There's a whole range of different types of samples, and this is what it's all about. That's showing the capabilities of what the Iridesse can do. So it's one of the most impressive kits that I've seen to date. This one is a great thing. They've actually gone back into our archives and taken out some of the information here and then personalised it, using the ColorLogic silver ink with Arc and the Iridesse. And it tells the story of ColorLogic and how it can be used. So again, just taking the initiative to look at the resources that are available to them, print them out on their press, and show exactly what is achievable. Starting to get down to the bottom of it now. More and more samples. So if I received this, if I was a brand and I saw this, I mean, it's like Christmas, opening it up and trying to just go through everything. It just shows the full potential of what is in that system. Now, beyond that, I thought that was it. And then I realised there was this hidden compartment here. So behind the back of here, we've actually got a whole load more samples. And again, taking the initiative using some of the ColorLogic designs. These are some of the older ones that we've done, Bijou branding. So just this pattern's in here. This is dimensional effect. It goes lighter and darker when you move the print. A subtle use of it, using one of the ColorLogic golds on a beautiful kind of like it's like a burgundy kind of colour. It's a really nice, elegant packaging design. And it's just to show you that you don't have to always go over the top. Subtle and elegant also wins every time. Now, what I was really impressed with, they were actually also using the Canon with the FLX finish. So the FLX finish allows you to create this matte gloss effect. So when you output your file, you can create a separation and you can map that to basically a gloss channel. So basically your print comes out glossy in one area and matte in the other. Now the reason I like that, and we've got some beautiful examples of how to use it in a design. I'm going to show you how we've used that. So Canon is one of our partners, and you can see on the back here we've got a couple of designs. So this one here, we did the Sands of Time. So basically it's a ColorLogic separation. So wherever we design with ColorLogic, that's mapped to the gloss effect. And then everything else comes out as a matte. So you get this kind of matte metallic in the background and a high gloss contrasting metallic in the other areas. Beautiful way to design with it. There is, however, one limitation. Currently there is no white ink on this machine. So when we're doing this, you've got to take into account that you can't have white. Any white areas would come out as silver. But provided you design your file correctly, then there's no reason why you can't create outstanding designs. Again, these are ColorLogic designs printed off the Canon with the FLX finish. I'll show you one last finished design, which is the one over here in our light box. So this was a dragon poster we did for the trade show. And again, just a beautiful example of how you can use the ColorLogic system, not only with metallics, but using other machinery and other effects. And that's what ColorLogic's all about. It can be used on any device that has silver or white, toner or ink. It can be used on any device with foiling systems, whether that's a spot foiling system, cold foil. We can also do sleeking, and we're showing here with this FLX finish. So again, a beautiful example, an excellent kit. We really thank you to our friends over at Arc for sending this. It's a mean feat to put that together, but I think that's probably the best sample kit I've ever seen. So thank you very much indeed.